lot number 3441A. Here we have a 2000 SEADOO RX Millenium edition. It's got a 951 carb engine in it. It's got low compression on one side of the cylinders. We're tearing this machine down into parts. Freshwater Minnesota jet ski. Was just on the water last year. Customer decided not to fix. We bought it as parts, so we're going to tear it down into pieces. If you need parts off a SEADOO like this or any other machine, SEADOO, Kawasaki, Yamaha, Polaris, Honda, Tiger Shark, we part many machines a year. Our phone number is 218-844-4968. We ship parts worldwide. We also have an eBay store or a website, martosmotorsports.com. This machine has 214 hours on it. It's a good clean hull, seats in fair condition, mirrors are good, hood deflector, jet pump, so on and so forth. It does turn over, but it will not start due to low compression on one side. There's the gauge. .3 hours on the gauge. There's the motor. The MPM on this machine is also good. We also tested that, and spark is good on it. Again, our phone number is 218-844-4968 if you want to buy parts off this 2000 SEADOO RX Millenium Edition jet ski. Thanks for stopping by.